This is the Wyze board. This will be an unboxing slash first impression of what I think about this Wyze board. I've been using it now for about a week. I actually get it as a birthday present from my wife. Here's some information on the side. You can use this device up to 8 hours by recharging it in the case. Some other information. Here's the back. Got Alexa built in. But I have an Android. You can also use Google Voice if you have that. And I believe if you have an iPhone, you can use Siri. Let's take the device out. Because it was a pre-order, I guess, or a early order. It comes with a badge sticker, quick start guide. Let's go through that really quick. You can pause the video if you wanna see any of those. The back is just more writing. And here's the case. We'll come back to that in a sec. You get a USB Type-C to regular USB, so you can charge the device. The USB Type-C go to this back right here. And last, you get different size for the earbud tips. You get 5 different tips, including the one that come with the earbuds. I believe this was the original one, and I swapped them out for a slightly smaller one, but I think they have size for most people in here. Now let's get to the earbuds part. This is what they look like. Right side, left side. Whenever this light is this bright white, that's mean the case battery life is above 20%. And whenever you drop those in here and the top, this middle light, that's mean your earbuds battery life is higher than 20%. And if either of those are red, that's mean the case battery or the earbuds battery are below 20%. That's if it's both of them are red. If it's white, it's above 20%. If you're using your phone, it gives you a more accurate battery life for both the case and the earbuds. I will show you later on in the video. So as I said before, I've been using this for about a week now, and I am really impressed with the build quality and also the audio quality, especially when I'm talking on the phone. My previous earbud was a wireless one, but not a true wireless one, because it had a wire going in between. So sometimes I have people have difficulty hearing me because the microphone had to be closer to my mouth. But with this, I guess the way they point the microphone, or because of how accurate the microphone is, it pick up my voice without any trouble, and I haven't had any issue with it. And this have a special feature when you're playing music. If you take them out of your ear, it stops instantly, and when you put them back in your ear, it plays instantly. I will leave a link below for anybody who is interested in buying this Wyze earbud. I would really appreciate it if you use the link below if you are gonna buy it anyway. Thank you. You're gonna want to download the Wyze app and add this as one of your device because you get a lot more option and you can control more stuff. So the way you do that, you just open it up and you press this button on the back, and it will make it available, and you will be able to add it as one of your device. Now I'm gonna show you what the apps look like. On it, if you have multiple devices on your Wyze app, just look for your Wyze board. And to be able to connect to it, make sure your case is open or you have your earbuds out. If the case is closed with your earbuds inside of the case, you will not be able to be connected. And it show you the option between ambient sound and standard. You'll be able to switch back and forth between those by tap and hold on any of your Wyze board. And at the top, it shows your battery percentage for the left and right earbuds and also the case. And if you click on the line and the dot at the top right, you can change your sound to a preferred message. You can even do custom and tune it to however you want. And if you click on setting, you get more option. You can change the name of your Wyze board, and it gives you a better percentage of your battery, more accurate. It shows you the number. The left and right have 100 fully charged, and the case is 30%. So you mainly have to pay attention to the case. As long as the case is fully charged, you'll be good to go. Again, when the case is fully charged, it should last you a total of 28 hours. And this is where you can control your earbuds, like your next, play and pause. For example, if you click on this, when you double tap, I choose my left side to go to next, but you can switch it to whatever you want. The only thing you can't really change that much is the tap and hold. This changed the mood from it let you listen to the outside noise a little bit, and standard mode you can do that or do nothing. That's the only option you have here. Let's go back, and you have calling enhancement, that's in beta mode, and you get voice assistant. So if you are connected to something that has Siri, Google Assistant, and all of those other things, it chooses it as standard. But I guess you can, it says Amazon Alexa is coming soon, but I have a Android. It's gonna keep using Google Assistant. And down there you have auto pause and play. You can take that off. Have a product guide where you also have a manual within this app. Show you everything you can do with this earbuds. And you have device information. And if you have any issue with this Wyze board, you can get help, can troubleshoot, and you can even submit issue that you're having with this. And this is basically it. And I really like how they set up this app. So this is what the Wyze board sound like from this far away. I'm just gonna put one of them closer to the microphone and you can hear how loud they are, but believe me, when they are in your ear, you will not be able to hear anything next to you. So the earbuds is not as close to it now. I'm gonna bring it closer again. And this is about it. So far I'm really enjoying those Wyze board. If anybody have one of them out there, let me know how you like them. Besides that, I will leave a link in the description for anybody who haven't purchased them yet. If you plan on getting them, I would really appreciate if you use the link below to get them. Thank you.